First of all, make sure to enable Bluetooth. If you haven't enabled Bluetooth, turn on the Bluetooth and open Remote Examination Care app. Now to perform heart sound test, you need to turn on stethoscope device. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds until the device is turned on. After that, go to appointment list, tap on recommended test button. Now select the heart sound test. If you see this error, this means that Bluetooth is off. Turn on the Bluetooth. Scan for devices and from devices list select stethoscope. After connecting, you will be navigated to test screen. Start the test and place the stethoscope gently on your chest. Allow app to record your screen and microphone. Now the test will continue for 40 seconds, but you also have the option to stop the test in the middle. After the test has been completed, save result model will appear where you can see test results. If you are satisfied, you can save the results. Otherwise, you also have the option to retake the test. After saving, app will navigate you to appointment details screen where you can see test results, recorded audio and video. Thank you.